Hi guys, so I wanted to give you guys this developing story, and it says a Jamaican national who was on the run after fatally shooting a man in Daytona Beach, Florida, was arrested in Pennsylvania on Tuesday. Danitto Simpson, 25, was wanted on first-degree murder and aggravated battery charges. He is accused of killing 24-year-old Donnell Williams in September last year during a confrontation over a woman. Police say Simpson was also wanted for beating his pregnant girlfriend with a broomstick. It is reported that the men had a history of confrontation because Simpson was in a relationship with the mother of Williams' children. So he essentially killed his baby mother's new man. On September 10th, witnesses told police that Simpson and Williams got into a fight outside an apartment complex and both fell to the ground. Simpson then got up, pulled out a gun, and shot Williams twice. The fact that he killed a man in Florida, I will tell you, he is either going to rot in jail forever, or if he doesn't have citizenship and he is just a green card person, he can opt to be deported to Jamaica. But the fact that he did this in Florida, he will probably be behind bars for the rest of his natural born life. When it comes on to murder, especially in the state of Florida, they do not play. And the fact that he beat his pregnant baby mother tells you the type of man he is. That right there, no go. He beat his girlfriend with a broomstick who is pregnant. He is crazy because it's bad all around. The baby mom lost her boyfriend. She also lost the dad for her children. Like, everything in this situation is bad. And I don't know what's up with this baby mom, but she need to figure out why she chose him to have a child with and what's in her, why she attracted someone like this. So I have 6 talking points which I want to talk about in this video, and it's going to start with legal accountability. The arrest of Danitto Simpson underscores the importance of holding individuals accountable for their actions, particularly in cases of violence and murder. Regardless of where a crime occurs or where a suspect attempts to flee, law enforcement agencies work tirelessly to ensure justice is served. My second talking point is domestic disputes. The tragic incident highlights the dangers associated with domestic disputes and the potential for escalating violence. It's crucial for communities to address underlying issues such as jealousy, possessiveness, and an unhealthy relationship to prevent such conflicts from turning deadly. Third talking point is impacts on family. The loss of Donnell Williams undoubtedly has a profound impact on his loved ones, especially considering the circumstances surrounding his death. These types of tragedies leave lasting scars on families and communities, emphasizing the need for support and services and resources for those affected by violence. Cross-state cooperation. The collaboration between law enforcement agencies across state lines played a crucial role in apprehending Simpson. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of interagency cooperation and coordination in tracking down fugitives and bringing them to justice. Preventing reoccurrence. This case involves a history of confrontation and domestic violence. It is imperative to focus on preventative strategies. This includes providing support for victims of domestic abuse, implementing effective conflict resolution program, and promoting education and awareness about healthy relationships. One thing I have to add on this is that raising Jamaican boy, especially in a single parent household, we as women need to do better. A lot of time Jamaican moms especially will coddle their son and have their son thinking that they own women based on how a single mom will raise her son, and it's quite unhealthy, especially in our community, especially as a Jamaican, and seeing stories like this happen time and time again. We have to do better as moms and as parents, period. And the last and final talking point is community vigilance. Communities must remain vigilant and report any suspicions or incidents of violence promptly. Building trust between law enforcement and the community facilitates cooperation and help prevent further tragedies like this from occurring. Let me say rest in peace to Donnell Williams, and I'm super sorry to his family and his friends for the way he was taken. I'm sure he was a good person and he didn't deserve for his life to be snatched away like that. But we live in a time where instead of conflict resolution, it's about violence. We live in a time where instead of actually taking it out, boxing it out, having a disagreement, walking away, both people or people in general feel like they need to use force, they need to use violence, and it always end up deadly and it always end up wrong. No one fist fight anymore and dap it up when everyone is finished and got all that out their system. No one literally no one fights fear anymore. Everyone is about violence and who can exert the most violence and most force at any given time. And especially in a place like Florida, where you literally have to assume that any and everyone have a weapon, because in the state of Florida, they very much believe in the First Amendment and the right to bear arms. So if you are out here, whether you are Jamaican or not, especially in the state of Florida, and you have a disagreement with anyone, if you are in fear of your life and you feel like you're in danger, you need to walk away, call the police, and don't take matters into your own hands, because 9 out of 10 times, whoever you're having a disagreement with will probably have a weapon. Florida is notorious for stand your ground laws. They are notorious for letting people go, especially if they feel like they were in imminent danger, for shooting someone else. So this is a very, very big story that Jamaicans living here need to take heed and listen. Listen. Florida is not somewhere where you go and think that you're going to escape the confines of the law. They are very much good at apprehending. They are very much good at sentencing, and you will probably be left with your natural born life being spent behind bars. But with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.